Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see a white or black screen, do not worry, this can be fixed easily on the Starling app. First, check your internet connection because weak connection can cause loading problems. You could also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app problem is network related. Now, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then look for Starling. Swipe it away, completely closing it. Wait for a few hours and then reopen the app. Next, restart your phone. Now, head over to your App Store or your Play Store and search for Starling and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. If nothing works, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then just delete the app. Wait for a few hours, go to the App Store, search for Starling and reinstall the app. Now your screen issue should be fixed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.